welcome to Business Northeast. We have with me Miss Kavita Khetan, who
Hi,
is the
Guwahati.
owner of Asia Jewelry. For the very first time, they are launching their product in Guwahati, all the way from Jaipur. Welcome to Business Northeast, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am,
Thank you
what inspires you to launch Asia Jewelry in Guwahati?
My birthplace is Guwahati,
Okay.
and yes, I'll be very honest. I I have a special place in my heart for Guwahati, and I want every woman, if I get a chance, I would love to decorate every woman with my jewelry.
Okay, so
Yeah.
when did Asia Jewelry started for the first time?
Since last 4 years, but yeah, we had other brand. I have been manufacturing since last 26 years down the
Okay.
line.
So what are the products that we have?
We have many silver items, gift items, decorative items, and for puja items, and silver jewelry, of course, which attracts the ladies for destination wedding, and at affordable prices.
Okay, so ma'am, could you
Yeah.
please tell us the price range of those jewelries?
Price starts from 300 and it goes up to 1,000. A very affordable price, as I said earlier.
Pure
I have a
silver?
pure silver 92.5 with purity, hallmark guarantee. Anybody can get the things checked. This is our guarantee, because if we have any kind of mistake also, we'll give the set for free and
Okay.
along with the money.
Okay, so
Yeah,
ma'am, this is you are going to have the exhibition for 2 days,
two
today
days
and tomorrow at
definitely,
Arista.
for sure.
So ma'am, after what are the plans forward in Guwahati?
I think I want to, yes, people should know Iji, of course. This is the reason I came to Guwahati and my birthplace. So I want to make my birthplace also sound very big.
Thank you
Very
so
big.
much, ma'am. We
Thank you
wish you
so much.
best of luck for that.
Thank you so much.
So I'm Divya Siotia and I'm hosting Asia Jewelers today and tomorrow at Arista by Ambition. Asia has come all the way from Jaipur with its wholesale collection of diamond and polki jewelry. They have a lot of silver corporate gifting items, and I must say you should not sit back home. The prices will keep you in awe. It's unbelievable. The designs are such that you will not be able to resist yourself. एक से मन नहीं भरेगा. You would want to buy more, and the collection is simply superb. They're just here today and tomorrow at Arista by Ambition, and I'll be personally available to host you guys between 11 to 2. Do not miss. Thank you so much.
I'm loving it here. The collection is very good, very beautiful, elegant. I'm doing business with them from the past 5 years, and this piece that I'm wearing, I'm loving it. I think I'll buy this.
My experience is like it's a perfect blend of elegance and craftsmanship. It is designed to empower women from every sphere. It's a perfect blend. I mean, the women should come here and see the collections. It's just made for a women.
Okay,
The women will look perfect in this.
and it's not only in jewelry, I believe.
Yes.
We have other items
Yes,
too.
it's we have the silver jewelries, the silver bags, the silver photo frames, the silver jewelries. We can say the silver showpieces. You all should come and visit this.
Thank you so much.
And so, first of all, Shwetaji, thank you so much for taking this bite. And it's been a really amazing experience. The entire support staff in Guwahati that we hired for our entire setup was really helpful. The influencers in Guwahati are also really amazing and really supportive. It's my second exhibition with my mom. Actually, it's my mom's brand. I run a study abroad firm. So, I believe that we'll be doing a lot more shows in Guwahati in the future. Thank you so much for having us.